Hello, this is Courtney with 360 Island Tours. This is part 2 of the video installation tutorials. In the last tutorial, I basically explained how to download the zipped files to your desktop, to your computer. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract those zipped files so that you can get prepared for uploading them to your server. So basically, we're going to start right where we left off. So we had actually downloaded the documents export for the Best Bridal Example Save Tours. So let's just go ahead and right click on this, and what you're going to do is extract here. And this is all dependent upon what program you use to extract your files, but the process you need to extract them. And I would suggest extracting them into the same folder. So now we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files. This was the zipped file that we just extracted, so we can get rid of that, delete. And now we're left with the 5 tours. So now what we do is we select all of them. You can do that by holding down Control and selecting them individually, holding down Shift, click on the first one, hold down Shift, select the last one. Otherwise, you can just drag your mouse over all of them. So right click again, extract here. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Okay, so now all of the tours have been extracted. So if we want to, we can keep these zipped tour files. Otherwise, you can delete them. You might want to save them just in case something goes wrong, have a backup copy. So what we're left with is the actual tour folders. So now if we open up any of these, we'll go to Fin Paradise Cove. It's actually just Paradise Cove. And we click on the index page. We open that up. So this is the index HTML. Of course, it's called 360 tours _ Paradise Cove HTML. And we can see that the tour works fine. All the buttons and everything work. And we are viewing this locally. This is on our computer. You can see all that works fine. So basically what we have done is we have extracted the zip files into folders. We have separate folders for each one of the scenes, for each one of the tours. And if we like, what we can do is we can clean up these names. So maybe, for instance, we just want this to say Angel Garden. Maybe this one just Blue Lagoon, and so on. And then what we can also do is we can clean up the index file, the file that actually opens up the tour. So we can go into Blue Lagoon, let's say for instance, and maybe we want to change this to make it look prettier. So we could just call this Blue Lagoon Tour, or whatever it is you want. You can change that name to that. And as you can see, when we open it up, it still opens up the same tour and everything's fine. What you do not want to change is when we are in the root folder right here, wherever your index HTML page is, this is the root folder, so you would not want to change any of these files or folders beyond this. You wouldn't go into the Flash and change any of these names, keep everything the same, otherwise the tour it'll break and it will not play correctly. And that's about it. That's how easy it is to extract the files. And in the next video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to upload the files to your server. So we will see you in the next video.